Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the black screen issue during cutscenes in Hollow Knight Silksong on Windows PC, especially if you're using an Nvidia graphics card. Let's get started. Solution 1. Go to your desktop. Right-click and select Show More Options, then click Nvidia Control Panel. In the left menu, go to Manage 3D Settings. Switch to the Program Settings tab, click Add. If Hollow Knight Silksong is in the list, select it. If not, click Browse, go to the game's installation folder, and select the games.exe file. Once added, set the preferred graphics processor to high-performance Nvidia processor. Scroll down and find Vertical Sync. First, set it to use the 3D application setting. If that doesn't work, try turning it on, then hit Apply. Launch the game again, and check if the cutscenes work properly. Solution 2. If you're using Windows N or KN editions, the issue might be related to missing media components. Copy the link in the description and open it in your browser. This will take you to Microsoft's website. Download the Media Feature Pack for your version of Windows. Once downloaded, run both .exe files and install them. After installation, press Start and type Turn Windows Features on or off. Open it and make sure the Media Features box is checked. Click OK, restart your PC, and launch the game again. This ensures the required media components are active for cutscenes. And that's it. By adjusting your Nvidia settings and making sure the Media Feature Pack is installed, you should be able to fix the black screen cutscene issue in Hollow Knight Silksong on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy playing Hollow Knight Silksong.